Hello guys, meron akong tip, okay? This is my tip, just in case that your underarm, it's smelly. Aba, i-hands up nyo yung mga arms yung guys. If the boys, there's a hair under their armpit, it means that it because they are real boys, okay? But if the girls have hair under their armpit, it means that it because they don't know how to clean themselves. And this is guys, if you're a girl, clean it. I don't like that you hands up your arm with hair because it's look disgusting. This is my tip guys, never mind about that, never mind about the past, just continue to move on, okay? Ito ay tip ko sa mga taong hindi nila matanggal, they cannot remove their smells, body odor smells. You know what you need to do is put what we call that, what is that in English? Vinegar, I mean. I'm thinking English but I'm thinking Tagalog. Vinegar, yeah, suka sa Tagalog. Guys, ilalagay nyo lang sa underarm mo. Take 10 minutes. Ibababad mo siya sa underarm nyo. If you have a problems in your body odor, you need to use vinegar to your body if you take a bath. And then after that, sasabunin mo siya ng safeguard. O basta kahit any kind of dishwashing liquid. Dishwashing liquid. Body liquid, guys. Naging dishwashing liquid na. Okay. Magwa-wash kayo, guys, pagka hindi na yan babalik. Maliban na lang kung yung damit nyo, hindi nyo rin nilinis, kailangan lagyan nyo rin ng vinegar. Kasi every time that you wearing your clothes and then there's still bacteria in your clothes, it's still the same. It's come back again. But you need to do is wash your clothes with vinegar, all of that, just put isa in the palanggana and then put a vinegar, 1 sachet of vinegar, ibababad mo doon lahat ng mga mo guys, lahat ng mga damit mo. Tapos guys, magbabad kayo ng kapag nagti-take a bath kayo ng vinegar, isang sachet ng suka, ibabad nyo sa katawan nyo. Parang lang, parang nagbababad kayo ng labahin nyo. Ayun ang gawin nyo guys, maghuhugas kayo ng vinegar at mag-anlaw ulit. Mawawala na yan guys. All of the body odors is gone. It because you wash your clothes, no more bacteria if you use it again. Like that lang guys. Very simple lang. Simple lang gid siya, imaw. Bisaya, Tagalog na guys. Pasensya na kayo kasi you know what? I feel black. Much better that to be continue even that it's Bisaya, right? But never mind about it. It's not about that. It's about how can I help you to remove your body odors. Yun lang guys. Sana yung tip ko ay mapulutan nyo ng gintong aral. Ayun, bye-bye!